Our CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLuGHiTzLive.com/Amazon.
How we doing, Internet fans? This is Chase here from CES 2018 for PLuGHiTz Live. I'm here at the wonderful Klipsch booth. I have Michael in front of me here to talk about some of the great Klipsch products. So, Michael, we'll go right into it. What do you have for us?
Yeah, today we're showing off our new Reference Premier line, and Reference Premier is sort of our core box speaker line. It's been in the market for 3 or 4 years now. Does really well for us critically and commercially. We actually are showing off the new generation of that line today, and a couple changes that we've made aesthetically, obviously adding the anodized copper trim ring around the woofer and tweeter. We're also offering it now in wood veneer, walnut wood veneer, I should say, like you see here, and a piano gloss finish as well, moving up from the vinyl black ash that we've had previously. Also showing off a cast aluminum base and a satin painted baffle, which is an upgrade from the current line. On the acoustic side, we actually are now using a vented tweeter, which is different from the previous tweeter we were using. That vent actually opens up the airspace to the rest of the cabinet, which allows a better high frequency response, certainly smoother sounding, more dynamic sounding tweeter than the current line.
Very nice. Yeah, aesthetically, it's very good looking. I mean, I really like that finish. It looks great. And then you do offer the black finish too, is the black pearl finish as well. So aesthetically, you know what I mean? Our consumers can go ahead and choose what they like, whatever fits best in their home environment.
Exactly right. That's what we're all about. We want to build high performance, great sounding speakers that look like furniture in your home.
Absolutely. Now, I've actually been fortunate enough to own some Klipsch speakers before. Now, performance-wise, I mean, they look awesome. I know for a fact that they're awesome. But, like, what are we looking at in terms of performance?
Yeah, so we pride ourselves on having a horn-loaded tweeter, which is if you design a horn-loaded tweeter really well, you get more detail, you get more dynamics out of your sound, meaning a more powerful sound, and you get more efficiency, meaning the speakers will play louder with less power. So if you're using a lower-powered receiver, you're going to get more sound out of a Klipsch speaker than you are out of our competitors.
Great, great. Now, this current unit in front of us, I know there's multiple pieces to it, but what does this run? What does the setup run?
Yeah, depending on the system, obviously they're available in different sizes. You can get a 5.1 system anywhere from about $3,000 all the way up to $5,000 or $7,000.
Absolutely, and I know for a fact it's worth every penny. I definitely know that for a fact. I mean, the sound quality is phenomenal, so it looks great. Now, for further information, if our consumers want to go ahead and look for this, where would we find that at?
Yeah, if you go to Klipsch.com, we have information about all of our speakers there. Yeah. All of the tech specs, all of the finish information, all the good stuff is at Klipsch.com.
Michael, so tell me what we're looking at here. These are subwoofers?
Yeah, so this is our new C-Series subwoofer line, and C kind of stands for ultra compact, ultra high performance. Really what we want to do is pack as much punch out of a subwoofer in as small of a footprint as we have, or as we possibly can, I should say. So we actually have a triple 10-inch, the C310 ASWI, and a triple 8-inch C308 ASWI. ASWI actually stands for App-Controlled Subwoofer with Wireless Connectivity. So the app that we feature is the Klipsch Low Control app. It allows you to control 5 bands of parametric EQ for multiple subwoofers. All the parameters, all your gain, all of your phase, all of your inputs. Also allows you to do automatic room correction, meaning the app will listen to the response of the subwoofer in the room, and then it will adjust accordingly depending on what it hears, and it will do that completely automatically, all from your iOS or Android device using the built-in microphone on that device.
Oh, that's awesome, because typically, I mean, myself, I probably have 4 remote controls in my living room right now, so you know what, anytime I can cut one of those out and put it on my phone, because everyone always has their phone on them, let's face it. So if we can go ahead and take control of that from our phone, that would be phenomenal. So looks like you're already thinking of that and making that possible. That's phenomenal. And in terms of the sound quality, how is it?
Yeah, it's probably one of the best sounding subs we've ever made, certainly for the size of the box. It's one of the best sounding subs we've ever made. We really want to up the ante in terms of performance and allow you to get the output and low frequency response of a smaller sub, or I should say of a larger sub, in a smaller footprint. So it's a great sounding sub, very high performance.
Awesome. Okay, and once again, where's this available?
Yeah, if you go to Klipsch.com/CES, we have all the information about this. It'll be available later on in this spring.
Michael, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Once again, guys, Chase reporting from CES, Las Vegas, Nevada, 2018 for PLuGHiTz Live /CES.